So I'm making a video on this Kinder Egg surprise, and yeah, it's my first time this year opening Kinder Surprise, and this is apparently the Valentine's edition of the Kinder Surprise egg. And my dad got like 4 of these Kinder Surprise eggs for $1.49 at Walmart, I believe. And yeah, I believe in the Dollarama or wherever you get it, it costs less, like 99 cents each. These are long gone, so I'm gonna open it now. Yeah. No. No. Something like a shell like this. So I'm basically just gonna build a toy. Right. I'm gonna pin the camera. Ooh. Getting lucky. Wonder what this is. It's a girl. See, this is the girl's body. This is the girl's pants and legs. Might be what she's holding here. So all I have is this is basically a maze that I'm going to do on both sides. So you see, Kinder Surprise is different menus, and this one is apparently she's holding a backpack. So I guess this is the you may take Kinder Surprise edition. Okay, that's what I want to say. So I'm gonna actually build it right now, and take a couple seconds. Yeah. So the body goes in their head. Holding the bag, so this goes in there. This. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's telling you. Bag. Let's